When you get to the main part of this course, there are 3 sections: words, phrases, sentences. In these sections, this is where you will learn to speak English more naturally. For each lesson in these sections, there will be Lesson A and Lesson B. Lesson A is where I show you how to pronounce certain language for that lesson, and I give you some explanations and examples. In Lesson A, I want you to repeat after me when I am showing you how to pronounce the word, phrase, or sentence. Try to copy exactly what you hear. Forget your own accent and forget the sounds from your language. Just copy exactly what you hear. Lesson B is where you listen and repeat the same language you learned in Lesson A. But in Lesson B, there will be no explanations. In Lesson B, I will just say the language and then you copy and repeat that language after me. Lesson B is a short lesson and you can use it as many times as you want to practice the pronunciation from that lesson. Think of Lesson B as a practice lesson. Just play the video, listen to my pronunciation, and then copy me. I made the course like this so you don't have to listen to the explanations again if you want to practice your pronunciation of certain words, phrases, or sentences. When using this course, please don't go to a new lesson until you are confident with the language from the current lesson. Once you are confident and you think you are pronouncing the language the same as me, then you can move to the next lesson. This is very important. If you want to get natural English pronunciation, you have to practice speaking correctly many times so you can say those words, phrases, or sentences correctly without even thinking about it. Practicing one time is just not enough. So when you're watching the lessons, please practice your pronunciation. Please don't just sit there and watch the lessons. Practicing your pronunciation is going to help you start to get natural English pronunciation.